Yes, now our journey has entered Singkawang City, precisely in the North Singkawang area or around Salt River Village, Cousin Queen Road. Well guys, of course this time Reza will bring friend, see the atmosphere of Singkawang City. From the north, continuing our journey yesterday from Javai, and this is the last video traveling series. Travel from Singkawang to Juwai and from Juwai to Singkawang back. Yes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy morning and best wishes to all of us. Welcome back to Reza Singkawang's YouTube channel. Wang ya friends. Continuing the previous video, we're now at the end of our trip yesterday from Juwai to Singkawang again. Well, now this is the last video, which we have now arrived at Singkawang City area, precisely in the northern Singkawang area. And now we go to Singkawang town center. Well, so much interesting facts and unique facts or facts of our travel that we will pass on this road. Importantly, guys, just watch the video. Do not skip or do not miss. Let friends know what we will discuss later during this journey of ours. Well, the first, here we go through area called North Sing, which is the area of Sing, which is directly adjacent to Samba's Regency. Certainly, friends, in this northern Singkawang area, a lot pembangunan like housing and various shopping centers or markets. If the friends interested in investment or living in Singkawang or owning a house in Singkawang City, the guys, you can also choose this North Singkawang area because in this area pretty much and the price is affordable. Well, besides that, in this North Singkawang, directly adjacent to Samba's Regency, and this is the main shaft road of the cross country up to the border. Well, now we've crossed the Salt River Bridge, and this is a very crowded village because there's so many housing that has been long-standing. There are also many places here hanging out, relaxing places, even here a lot. Great places for friends to visit. If your friends go to well, so in this North Sing, indeed the area is very dense and is also the main road access to Liver County and City. And also in this northern Cassava is a path. Friends who want to go to or go to Era or Malay. Well, now we have entered the area. Shops in Salt River Market, exactly around BTN Salt River, BTN Bayangkara and Well, soon we will reach the fork of the road. Ring or Pass Road to the main terminal. Or if friends want to not through Singkawang City or not entering Singkawang City, guys can turn right here, guys. This is the right side. Well, so friends can directly penetrate to the farm road, then towards the Pontiac. Okay, guys, the important thing is to watch the video Reza Singkawang. Do not skip, and do not forget to continue to be supported YouTube channel Reza. Let Reza Spirit again make interesting content about Sing. And for those who have supported Reza Singkawang's YouTube channel, of course Reza wishes good luck and healthy always, may always be bestowed grace and sustenance, and always given blessings and happiness. Amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Okay, just watch the video until it's over, because there's so many beautiful scenery, uniqueness, as well as interesting facts in Singkawang. That will be friends. Enjoy the content this time. And Reza will continue with interesting videos again about Singkawang. The important thing is friends hang out. And don't forget to subscribe to Reza Singkawang's YouTube channel. Endo the word wabillahi taufiq walid. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy morning and best wishes to all of us.